Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a 3D simulated fireball using Python. So let us start this by importing the required library. So here NumPy is used for math operation and random number generation, and matplotlib.pyplot is used for 2D and 3D plotting. And Access3D enables 3D plotting using matplotlib. And now we'll define parameters and generate random points in a spherical coordinates. So n is equals to 5000. This defines the number of particles in the fireball, and r is equals to np.random. Here it generates 5000 random radii from the origin, and 0 0.5 makes particles denser towards the center like the real fireball. And now we'll generate random angular coordinates theta. So here theta generates random azimuthal angle around the z-axis, which is 0 to 2 pi, and phi is the polar angle from the vertical axis 0 to 2 pi. And now we'll convert spherical to Cartesian coordinates. So this converts spherical r, theta and phi to 3D Cartesian coordinate x, y, z to plot in 3D space. So now we'll define the fireball intensity, which is brighter at core. So here point closer to the center, which is r is equals to 0, our brighter intensity is equals to 1. So point near the edge fade out where intensity is 0. And now we'll set up the 3D plotting area. So this sets up a 3D plot with a square figure size of 6 into 6 inches, and now we'll plot the fireball with color mapping. So here scatter plot all the points in 3D, and C is equals to intensity, which is color depend on how close the point is to the center, and CMap is hot, which uses a red orange yellow gradient like real fire, and S is equals to 2, which is small point size for a glowing cluster, and alpha is 0.8, which is slight transparency for blending. So ax.setTitle sets a suitable title to the plot, and ax.set x, y and z label sets the required axis label. So this ensures equal scaling in all the direction, which is spherical symmetry. This adjusts spacing in the plot, and plt.show displays the plot. So here we can see a 3D simulated fireball. So thanks for watching this video.